Girls ready?
And we don't get off till like 1:30.
Thank Blake. We got one already going up the slide.
Can you come with me to the medium?
It's already in that last one.
Go with it. No, but I don't want to get my phone wet.
And we're off.
Oh, it's so pretty.
Yeah, that thing's a lot bigger than this one. That's cool.
Miles Turner, who hurt them in the last game. So there's some, decision making that goes into that. Upcoming national TV schedule brought to you by Indeed. ESPN Tuesday, WNBA, the Sky and the Liberty from New York. ABC Wednesday, the final ships.
Right. There you go. Look at the family. Now add a body roll. You ready? Do a step touch, you ready? Sing it. Tell them. Let them know. All we're asking is for that cash out. All right, sing it, family. Let's go. I heard that on TikTok, sorry. Come on.
We always do it nice.
There you go.
We're gonna take the beginning of the song and do it easy.
Easy.
But then we're gonna do the finish. Right.
Right.
Baby, be proud of me.
Come on. Yeah, now you get a little swing.
Listen to the story now.
Now we have the...
Left a good job in the city.
It's about the dip.
Working for a man every night and day.
Sing it for me.
And I never lost 1 minute in the sleep. And I was worried about the way that things might have been.
Boom, boom, boom.
Wheels keep on turning.
Sing it, Drake.
Oh, the primary keep on burning.
Yes, it does.
We're rolling,
Let's go. Roll it.
rolling,
Come on now.
rolling on the river.
Roll it. No.
Had to make an emergency stop in Cozumel. Someone got injured on the cruise. So. Alright, we are pulling into Costa Maya, Mexico. As far as the eye can see, we Oh, look at that. I don't even know what these are. Oh, that's pre-booked tours. Well, some of them aren't dressed for it.
Yeah.
You know, like they're not dressed to come out here and sit in the sun, or it's people that sat in the sun too long and they're like super sunburnt. You know.
Yeah, the pool or that pool's really good. It's saltwater too. That little pool.
Yeah.
Pool's really good though. Nothing is sending for me.
The what?
Nothing is sending for me. There's no signal.
Oh yeah, we don't have any signal here until we get back on the boat. Hey.
A hammock massage.
I want to see the dolphins.
There was one girl that was
You see
riding a
them?
dolphin earlier.
Oh, there they are, right there.
Look, she's riding it. She's riding a dolphin.
Huh. What the heck? Does it hurt?
No, it feels like little vibrations from each bit.
Yeah. Alright, first morning in Belize.
Right, broken English, right? Yes, so folks, now most people love to come to Belize and say that Belize is an island, right?
y'all gonna do it too.
I know, but I just drank Sprite.
Oh, you're fine.
I just drank Sprite.
You're okay, babe.
I'm not doing it until I'm ready.
You got to, Blake. Come on.
I just drank Sprite.
It's okay.
You go first.
Do you push off or no? Not really. Yeah, I'm fine. All right, Blake. You ready? All right, come on.
Her legs. You want to go over there to that rope thing?
Do what?
The rope thing?
Um.
Oh, I can
Hi family, welcome to Carnival.
You do this, so you can buy separate your food or drinks. If you this, just include the food, your drinks, and that's what it includes.
Okay. Yeah. Fine. Whatever.
It's a 45 zone case.
Open bar.
I say, do you want to put it in there or do you want to sit it out here by the...
Guys, I'm excited. Hello? Should I pet it?
Sure.
Oh, it's swimming away. A baby fish. Oh my gosh. That's salty. Yeah, he said to go to the colorful building and give him these. The guy was like, this is colorful, right?
Do what? Dolphin check-in right here. Oh yeah, here's the arena. I think you might have to check in here, Chloe. Do we have to check in here? Oh yeah, look at them.
Hopefully it has AC.
Ain't no way we're all fitting in there. You're good. You're good. You're good. No, you're good, bud.
What you think about